Today I'm going to give you an unboxing and closer look at the Vantrue Element 3. This has been one of their most popular products on their Dashcam line. And I have to tell you ahead of time, I'm a really big fan of Vantrue. I'm already using their Nexus 5 Dashcam in my minivan. And after having that experience, which was great, I was really curious about the Element 3. So I'll kind of take you along for my journey in the next video. But for today, we're just going to take a look at what you get when you order this Nexus 3. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you that the company sent me this kindly as a sample, so that way I could help you understand what to expect and make a better purchasing decision. So here we are unboxing the Element 3, or the E3 as they call it. This one's giving you a real bang for your buck with the 3 channels. So you are getting a full protection with this dash cam. It's going to simultaneously record the front, the cabin, and the rear at 30 FPS, which provides really excellent image quality and captures all the details on the road, including the signs and the license plate. So you're going to get the very best experience, and you don't have to worry about it if something ever happens on the road. So how do you get that 360-degree protection? Well, the front camera captures 160 degrees, basically showing everything that you see in front of you on the road as you're driving. And then there's another camera right on the back side of the front camera that points inside the cabin, looking at you and your family. And finally, you have the rear camera, which gives you a 160-degree rear view image. So you're getting 100% protection. You get infrared night vision and inbuilt Wi-Fi and GPS monitoring. Plus you have this really cool hands-free voice control. There's a limited number of keywords that you can use in your car, so you don't have to mess with it while you're driving. And it also has this wireless controller. It also has the ability to give you 7 hours of parking mode. So if somebody's naughty in the parking lot and does something and dings your car or causes some kind of damage, so you're going to have a reliable witness and video proof of the accident. And when you're on the road trip, it goes without saying that you have that extra confidence and extra protection for you and your family. It's very easy to install. As I said before, I have already done this once or twice with different dash cams. One of them was the Vantrue. So I'm starting to get the hang of this. The technology that it's equipped with is called the Sony Starvis, which has a very unique wide dynamic range technology that helps balance the exposure and illuminates the dark spots for optimal image quality, even if you're in the dark. So you are definitely getting night vision. These cameras are top of the line. You're getting the very best image quality in high detail, probably more than you want to even see when it's looking at you. And the cool thing about the GPS is you can have a complete history and recording of your location wherever you are. One use case of this is you are a parent to a teenager who's just starting to drive. With the dash cam, you're going to have a complete history and you're going to know exactly what they are doing, so that way you can give them feedback if that's necessary. Depending on what package you choose to purchase, you may or may not have a memory card included. But this dash cam is able to support up to 512 gigabytes of memory. And when you are not on the road, it will record in time lapse, so it saves memory. But if something's actually happening, it will capture it in real time when it detects that motion or movement around your car. One important thing that you want to note is that if you want to be able to use the parking mode on this dash cam, it does need to be hardwired. That's an additional option that you're going to have to either add on or select the bundle that includes the hardwiring. Otherwise, you're going to be using the cigarette lighter for the source of energy, but whenever you turn off the car, it's also going to turn off the parking mode to save battery. So it has a very powerful magnetic mount, and I show that here, how it just kind of clips together super quick, and it's really easy to get it off as well. Did I mention they include a free app There's no obligations, no subscribing to anything. It's totally free and included with the Dashcam. It's part of the technology. You can access all of the images right from your phone when the Wi-Fi of your Dashcam is turned on. So overall, really great product. I can't wait for my next video to show you what it all looks like when it's put together and installed in my car. I recommend with all my heart Vantrue. This is an amazing product. I wouldn't hesitate getting one of these today.